everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. Recently we got a new notice from the NBE side that is regarding the eligibility criteria about the NEET MDS 2024. But let me tell you something. That notice doesn't define or at least elaborate that the NEET MDS 2024 is postponed. No, not at all. The NEET MDS 2024 examination is on the 18th March 2024. That is so short. It is not postponed. Now let's see the latest NBE notice which is released today regarding the eligibility criteria. As you can see the notice on your screen, it states that the cutoff of the internship completion has been extended up to the 30th June 2024 for the purpose of the eligibility of NEET MDS 2024. That means the internship completion eligibility criteria is increased. That is up to the 30th June 2024. This is the first thing. Second, the NEET MDS 2024 shall be conducted as per the pre-notice schedule, that is on the 18 March 2024. That means the exam date will not be changed. It is on the 18 March 2024. Followed by the third point says that according to the candidates who are completing their internship during the 1st April 2024 to 30th June 2024 and are fulfilling all the criteria as per the prescribed in the information bulletin of NEET MDS 2024, apply for the examination of NEET MDS 2024. Followed by the fourth and the most important criteria is online window will open for the submission of the new candidate to fill the application form of the NEET MDS 2024, which will be opened from 9th March, that means parso. As I am fabricating this video on the 7th March 2024, that means today. So the forms or the window will be open for the new eligible student for the NEET MDS 2024 examination, that is on the 9th March 2024, 10 AM onwards till 11th March 2024 till 11:55 PM. So a very short period of time the window will be open for the new eligible students, right? Not the older one. Next important point is the such candidate shall be able to choose their preferred state by taking the examination. NVE MS shall be allocate them the test city in which within the state chosen or the nearby state as per the availability of the centers. Followed by there is no added window available for the new eligible students. That means those who are the new eligible students or the candidates, please fill your forms very carefully. For filling your application form of NEET MDS 2024, make sure you don't make any mistake, especially in case of the image, photograph, background, signature, thumb impression. Make sure you will do it correctly. Followed by for the new eligible student or for the old eligible student, this is not written, but as this notice is for the new eligible student, so the admit card for the new eligible student will come on the 15th March 2024. But the important dates chart which is shown on your screen, earlier it is mentioned that the admit card comes on the 13th March 2024. So now there is no clear-cut criteria available for the admit card to come. So now the question arises, when will be the admit card come? So for the new eligible student, please you will check that your admit card will come on the 15th March 2024. Followed by the earlier eligible candidates which have already filled their forms earlier. In case of the NEET MDS 2024, your admit card will come on the 13th March 2024. So don't forget to note this difference in the date of the admit card. Fine. Although they haven't prescribed or haven't tell anything like earlier वाले candidates का इतना आएगा या ऐसे admit card आएगा, but we have two things. So definitely we can compare and tell. They have given the helpline number and the website and other email ID if you want any kind of the help. That's all about the important notice. But now again, as the new eligible candidates you are for the NEET MDS 2024 examination, first of all, the image based questions are very important, because I have made one analysis video, and from that we come to the conclusion that minimum you can score 150 or 130 marks and maximum up to the 250 marks in NEET MDS 2024 examination or in simple NEET MDS examination. So better you definitely go through the image based questions. Followed by that, now there is the set available in the form of a PDF with explanation from 2011 to 2023. NEET MDS past papers are available. You can contact me by any of the mode and get it on your WhatsApp. Definitely it's a paid PDF. Our minimal charges are definitely there. Followed by the email ID is shown on your screen. You can DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. If you are done with the past papers, followed by that, you can go through the INI CET past paper. There are 5-year set available with full explanation. Why? Because they are containing the high yield MCQs. Second, more clinical questions are there. Third, I have already told you earlier that the recent INI CET paper was from the NEET MDS paper, past papers. So the chances are there that the vice versa can happen. So better you will mentally prepare with that too. At least you can go through them once, right? Followed by that, if you need any kind of the notes, guidance or any query you have in the form filling, you can contact me by any of the mode. Either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. You can DM me there, ask your questions, contact with my team, get the guidance, get everything done. And if you are feeling anxious, you can prepare under my guidance also directly. So choice is all yours. Definitely these are the paid services with the minimal charges. That's all about the today's breaking news regarding that the eligibility is increased, but there is no postponement in the exam date. The exam is still on the 18th March 2024. That's all about the today's video. All the very best for the NEET MDS 2024. Thank you for watching.